This is the ModMic wireless from Antlion, and they sent me this, and honestly it is the best thing I've ever used on my Quest. So this is the case that it comes in. It's like it's a hard case. I honestly like it. This is like some quality product that you can just tell already. So opening this up, you're gonna get a bunch of stuff. This is not in the original order, but it was something like this. I kind of guessed. You get a wire for extending the range. You get the USB receiver that you plug into your computer, and you just plug it into your. I haven't had a need to use it. My computer is literally right there, so I have no need because I'm gonna be playing in this play space anyways. Next, you get this paper with like instructions on how to download it, or what am I talking about? And then you get a little baggie with magnets in here, and then you get like in-depth instruction manual, but I didn't really read all that. I want to be honest. And here comes the bad boy. This is the microphone itself. Honestly, this is the best thing that I've gotten. As you can see, it says on some instructions that it is best to have the headset on the right side of your head, since the USB is facing downwards. You can put it on the left if you want, but just be careful with the USB. In order to install the microphone onto any headset or even your Quest, you have to get one of the magnets from the pouch. One of the magnets were already attached to the microphone, so it wasn't that much of an issue. You get one of these, you peel off the back. The actual stuff comes with a sanitizer. You get it and you just plop it onto any surface you'd like. So once you sanitize the surface, like this one, I sanitized this, I cleaned it off, and then I just attached it to my Quest. It's so sturdy, it's not gonna come off anytime soon. You need to put pressure on it for like a minute. After that, you should leave it for over an hour, but it's best to leave it overnight. But me, I'm impatient, so I kind of just went outside for about an hour and a half. I came back and I just started to use it right away. In terms of the mic quality here, honestly, it's plastic, but it just feels really sturdy. And then on the headset, on the microphone itself, you have two modes. This is the best mode where it just focuses audio towards you, and it's pretty good. Personally, I've never dealt with range loss, but if you do have issues with range, just use this. This is more than enough. I feel like even without this on your computer is perfectly fine. So as long as you stick it on top of your computer, that's perfectly fine. All right, so this is the sound test of this microphone. I do have a little bit of background noise going on, and I think it sounds fine. This isn't like a standalone microphone. This is not like a Shure SM7B or Blue Yeti, but for what it's worth, I think it's really good, and it's definitely better than most headset mics out there. Very easy to use, very easy to take on, turn off, all of that. It's super easy and simple. Let me know if you like how it sounds. All right, so here's some things you need to know about the ModMic. First of all, if you're using the uni mode, you're gonna have to lower the volume to like -10. So unfortunately, if you have an Xbox like me, you won't be able to use it at all. It does work with PlayStation though, so that's great honestly, because this has such great quality compared to other terrible PlayStation mics I've heard. Also, they did tell me, by the way, that it can work with Xbox. In order to get it to work with Xbox, it's actually a lot of work. Now, one thing I forgot to show you is how easy it is to attach this to your Quest. You literally get this. You ready? It's attached just like that. The magnet is super duper strong. I have it on a downwards angle. Let me show you a couple issues that I have with it. So turning it on, I kind of had a problem first. So you kind of just press it and it blinks, and it just connected right away. Sometimes I won't do that, so you're gonna have to wait, but that's just how it connects. And now another issue was how to turn it off. Now I did not know how to turn it off. I couldn't find it in the thing, and I didn't really want to search it up. Well, I lied. I did search it up, and I found out if you just hold it for 2 seconds and let go, yeah, pressing it once will mute it, but if you hold it for like around 2 seconds and let go, it turns off. As for this, it's blinking, but I kind of just pull it out. This mic is actually kind of just a plug and play. You just plug it into your computer, turn it on. It'll blink for a little bit. If you're stuck blinking like this, it starts blinking hard like that if you hold it. And then I think if you just hold this for like forever, and it will just blink really fast, and then it will connect just like that. You go over to your computer, you go look for sound settings, and once you're in sound settings, you can just change your input device. It would be the Antlion wireless microphone, and pretty much it's just as simple as that. All right, so the real question now is it worth it? Now, if you own something like a Blue Yeti, like I do here for like recording, or another wired standalone mic just like this, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you are somebody who plays a lot of VR like I do, it's super easy, especially if you have multiple headsets. It's super easy to just grab this and just attach it as easy and quickly like that. And if you could just switch around your microphone with your other headset, your headset this one, headset that one, it's definitely worth it, and it's better than any other gaming headset mic that I've used personally. Some people, I've seen other reviews, they do mess around with the settings, but me, I just plug and play and it works like a charm. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know. Their link will be in the description below.